everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's 10 below here in BC today, so it's pretty chilly. A lot of snow. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Susan Srstyle. I post pictures every single day, and we got some more snow last night, so the roads are not the best. We're staying in. Today we had to go to the post office and come back, and we almost got stuck at the post office because where we live, the post person does not go to your house. You have to go to the actual post office to pick up your mail. So that was the fun for today. Alright, so make sure you like, share, comment, and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos, because once I hit 500, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway. It's going to be a mini backpack from Loungefly, brand new. So as soon as I hit that mark, I'm doing the giveaway, so I'm pretty excited about that. And I wanted to thank everybody that participated in Vlogmas. It was a lot of fun this year, good variety. And basically it's just supposed to be, you know, like light, fun stuff that you would probably do every day, like a vlog kind of scenario. So yeah, so thanks a lot for joining me, and I hope the new year brings better things than this year, but with the cases rising out of control, then it's not good start. So we shall see. All right, thanks honey for the coffee. Ted brought me some Java, so that was really nice. Thanks for doing that. It's freezing, so we're in our sunroom, and we have a little floor heater on top of our furnace, so that's how cold it is. All right, so we got an unboxing. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I think it's for Ted, but we'll see, because I had a overnight shipping for an item that I ordered Ted for Christmas on December 20th or 21st-ish. And it was supposed to be free overnight shipping, and I think this just came today. Alright, so I got my blade. Let's go ahead and unbox and see what we got. So you guys got anything cool for Christmas? Leave it in the comments below. I love to read your comments. If you have any requests, leave them as well. All right. Okay, we're in. Got some green bubble wrap type of thing. Okay. And I can use those for my bags. Alright, got a little card. Alright. Alright, this is from Chanel. Okay, look at the packaging. Wow, that's pretty fancy. Okay, and then the ribbon up on the top here. And I got a card. Let's see what the card says. It just has the CCs. Alright, Merry Christmas. Love you very much. Yeah, this was his Christmas gift. Alright, well, better late than never, honey. All right, let's go ahead and see what I got him for Christmas. Look at the packaging.
Wow.
Pretty fancy, eh?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so I guess they had some problems because this was supposed to be overnighted. Yeah, but they've had really super bad weather. So it's like ice underneath the snow. It's really, really dangerous. So you can't even walk like in the carport. It's like one slip and slide. So yeah, we just made it short today because it's not worth it. All right, so it looks like, opens up like that. All right, so you get some little samples. All right, we'll put that in the box. That's all the packaging. Here's your card. And we'll use this for upstairs. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
This is what I got him for Christmas. They're blue from Chanel, and they're the travel refills. You get 3 little refills. And there wasn't any deals at Hudson Bay, so I thought I'd just get Chanel, go through Chanel. Okay, so there you go, darling.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
And here's your card.
Oh, yeah, what's that for?
Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
Love you very much.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Merry Christmas.
I'll put this with the stock.
All right. And then we got a couple of free samples. You get these little dust bags and these work really good for travel. You can put your jewelry in there. You can put some makeup in here. You can put it in your bag. These are all made out of like kind of a nylon. It's probably silk. It's probably not nylon if it comes from Chanel. All right, and I got Coco Mademoiselle sample. And this is Chanel number 5. One of my favorites. Now, what's your favorite perfume? Do you like Chanel? Do you like Jovan, Gucci? All right, there's the other sample there. All right, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle with the senior point of view. Stay safe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.